Generative design paired with additive manufacturing can be completely disruptive to our industry. If we can take a mile per gallon of fuel economy off, if we can extend our range 10 miles in an electric vehicle, that can be a huge competitive advantage for General Motors.
We are committed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 50% till 2050. This requires from us to develop new technologies which make airplanes much lighter.
It helps our customers, the airlines, and it helps the environment.
And this is just possible with generative design, using Autodesk software.
So working with MoldFlow, we provided a solution that would avoid the contact with live parts and keep an end user safe. We're dealing with safety products here. If the parts wouldn't perform the way they were designed to, and we ended up having an end user who actually get in contact with one of these live parts, they may end up dying.
Our windows go in spacecraft for NASA, the bottom of the Mariana Trench, and when you're dealing with such extreme conditions, you need precision. Of course, we have a perfect safety record. You don't want to hear about a window failing out in space. And we have the software that's required. It gets us where we need to have perfect curves.
The Port of Rotterdam Authority is now pursuing the strategy of becoming the smartest port in the world. I love tech, I love innovation, and the thing is you always see it's out there somewhere on the other side of the world. They're doing it, why not here in Rotterdam? The process we're using is wire arc additive manufacturing. Basically it's welding, 3D, but then 3D welding.
My big goal is really to open up the sports world for the average amputated person. It makes a big difference if you have been amputated and then you still have the chance to be active, to be self-confident, to enjoy the life and not to give up.
With 3D printing, we could really innovate the future of footwear technology. Generative design plays a crucial role in the design process to create lightweight structures and reduce weights in parts. This is our first 3D printed shoe. We've created a compelling performance training shoe to hit the athlete and make them perform that much better.